Hello everybody, my name's William, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Tina Enterprise. Now, I guess everyone's been to a product page, you've seen the pricing option, you look at Enterprise and there's a call us button, right? So we're going to sort of talk about why that actually exists. So, but just to give you a bit of understanding, currently, Tina's customers, most of the customers are on the basic tier, the free forever tier. So then we look at sort of the people that are on the paid tiers like team and business. Then the numbers go down a little bit, and then you get to the far end, and there are a whole bunch of enterprise customers, but not as many as the people using the other tiers. But the needs of the customers are literally the inverse, right? So when you look at the people on the basic tier, if they have an issue, it's just on local dev, they might go look at GitHub or the Discord channel for some support. It's usually only one or two people on that free tier, and with one or two roles as a writer and a approver, or both. So their needs are quite basic, right? Not much that can go wrong, really. Same for on the team tier. All that goes into the team tier, same sort of support, GitHub, Discord, but you get more seats to go and run this in Tina Cloud, all right? Things start getting really cool at the business tier where you get that editorial workflow. So you have the branching strategies in the browser or in the CMS, and then you get priority support as well, and SSO comes in as well. Now, on the big llamas, the enterprise size, their needs are so bespoke that you can't really make each client happy with the same set of features. So that's why that call us button is there. So for instance, Unity, great graphics platform, developing games, architectural visualization, all sorts of stuff. They use Unity, they use Tina for their documentation site. Protocol Labs, the City of London Council, Devolver, and Smashing Magazine. Some of the enterprise customers all using Tina. So we've all tried to define what is an enterprise customer or enterprise software. Does anyone actually know, have a clear definition for that? All right, well, you have to actually then go and do a bit of research because it's a lot more than what I'm going to show you, but at least they're at large scale, right? Huge revenues, a lot of assets, market share, the number of employees that they have, and the number of locations, right? So it's not all of these, but some of these will help define someone at an enterprise tier. And they're so important that if they make a decision on their product or their offerings, they can impact an industry, okay? And also, these are the sort of customers or companies that would significantly invest into the technology that they use or develop, and also the infrastructure they need to host this or to offer this. And then also, when you get at a certain size, you have to comply to all sorts of regulations and standards, all right? But there's probably a lot more characteristics that can go into defining an enterprise customer. But going on to the Tina Enterprise tier, your benefits that you have, along with what you get for all the other tiers, is the version control, powered by Git, with the GitHub integration. The editorial workflows, but on the Enterprise tier, it's custom. So you can actually hook into those workflows and add extra checks, whatever sort of legal terms and services or things that need to be checked by a certain department. You can wire in whatever you need there. So it's pretty cool. And there's a lot more custom stuff coming in the editorial workflows. Bulk licensing, so when you reduce your per seat cost, if you have hundreds or thousands of users, the bulk licensing really helps to lower your operational costs. Now, self-hosting your stuff. So if you're in an environment where you are regulated, you don't want to run it in the cloud or a particular cloud, you can run it on-prem or BYO cloud. You own Git server, you own firewall, you just get full-on control of your security. You're in charge. Now, by nature, the architecture for Tina Cloud is very secure. The attack surface is very low. Also highly performant and scalable because you're just serving static content. It's all pre-rendered, served from a CDN, and hardly any downtime. So you don't have database vulnerabilities and web servers to really worry about. So it's nice and secure. Access control. So we support basically all the big players identity providers, but if you have a sort of custom identity solution, just call us. We'll help make that work. But when it comes to the real enterprise support, priority support, that's we care about the customers. If anything goes wrong, just call us up. We're there to help. Not just with fixing things that have just gone wrong, but if there's a feature or something that you want that's not on the roadmap or not in the product, we work with you to go and help develop that. Same with getting your content updated if you're too busy, or if you have content somewhere else, we'll help you bring it over and more. So the enterprise level is there to sort of do whatever you need, and we work with you to get that. Now, just to wrap things up, right? So from the smallest little simple blog website to a large enterprise scenario, Tina CMS has your back end. So thanks for everybody for watching this talk. So if you scan that code using the rewards app, you can claim any of this cool swag and then go and enjoy the food. Thank you.